Yesterday I asked you to remain long on gold or buy gold till the time, or with the stop loss at 1645, and till the time it trades above 1645 can be considered bullish. At the same time, silver above 1840 1860 zone may fly high, and see what it has achieved. I hope you all profited. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Also, do press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session, precisely 12 hours from now. So do watch that also. Let's start first. We'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Now, yesterday, gold has seen a breakout from the zone at around 1650-55 and seen a good rally, achieve the lower highs here, failed to go past 1670 zone and retraced and erased the gains completely. In fact, it has achieved lower highs here. In fact, it has achieved lower highs, indicated that still it is not trying to go on the upside or may remain range bound. Once again, only short entry today is below 1645 levels. Sell gold only if you see it trading below 1645. That is very clear, and this is going to remain the stand for the rest of the week. Till the time it trades above 1645, I will not recommend you to sell gold. Now at the same time, since it has erased against, what it is trying to do, it is probably trying to consolidate or trade in range. The next highs, if it tries to rise, could be at around 1665 levels. Yes, 1665 levels are going to be a good support. Also look at this 1650 zone. 1650 now is trying to provide a support. You can see 3 candles giving it a very strong support. So in between 1645 and 1650, do not take any position, do not trade. And if till the time it trades above 1650, one can remain long. So first thing is 45 and 50, do not trade. Below 1645, go short on gold. Till the time it trades above 1650, you can remain long on gold. The target should be at around 1655, 1660 and 1664-65 zone. This is going to be a pretty strong resistance zone. Also, let's have a look at the directional movement is crossing over for a bullish move. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD on the early charts trading in red and willing to converge crossover. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation. It is trying to trade in this consolidation zone. The high should be at around 1665 and plus levels. Only level above which I told you yesterday also, above which I will consider it moderately bullish, is 1671, beyond which it will be considered moderately bullish till 1680-84 levels, and beyond that 1700 is the next milestone. These 3 levels, if it breaches, then only should be considered bullish. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. What we have seen on the early charts, the direction movement is bearish here. The stochastic is trading oversold and it is trying to come out of this zone. Let's see if it sustains this. MACD is in green, RSI is flat, and what we saw on the early and 2-hour charts, same is the observation. But see, the bullishness here is certainly diminishing, indicates that a potential reversal may take. And this time, if you see it trading below 1645, certainly you can remain short. And then 1640, below 1640, you can expect a strong bearish move. Below 1640, we can expect a strong bearish move, which will take it further towards further lows. And then you cannot deny 1590, 1600 levels. You have to trade with caution here. In between 45 and 50, anyways, you should not trade. So this is the second green candle, and it is trying to trade bullish. Probably the third green candle, see, only the body size is constrained, that it is not willing to rise further. It is getting an downward pressure from the upside, hence it is getting a strong resistance. Probably it can try to break. Be cautious there. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic is entering oversold zone. The MACD is in green and is still bullish. RSI is trading flat. And on the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour charts. Again 1650 as the support. See, previous 45, now 47, and it is trying to trade with little rise. Probably if it continues to rise from here, we can expect again 1655, 58 and then 1661 and then 1665. So beyond 1665 only one can confirm that it is moderately bullish, and then you can expect 1670 level. So see, first stronger resistance zone for gold is 1661-65, and then at 1660 1670-71 zone. If these two are taken, then only consider gold as bullish, else it may retrace again. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic entering oversold. The MACD is in green and RSI trading flat with moderate bullish bias. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it appears that probably a little rise cannot be denied till the time it trades above 1651 can remain long, and then lower highs can be expected. It can try to come back till towards 1665, 1668 zone. This zone should be achieved, and if it trades beyond 1670, certainly more bullishness will be seen. So yes, it is trying to trade bullish, but then do not take a trade between 1645 and 50. And if you are long or if you want to buy, you can buy here at 1652, but with just $2 of stop loss. You have to put your stop loss at 1650. That should be the strategy, and with the stop loss at 1650, one can remain long. One can expect 55, 60, 65 zone, and then 65, 68 should be a greater resistance. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish on the daily chart. And yes, if you see it trading below 1645 any point of time today, you can remain short. The target is 1650, and below that, see, the size of the candle here is almost $23, and if it drops from here, you cannot deny another $23 from here, and hence 16, 25, 20 levels can be seen. If it breaks below 1640, we are going to look forward to another round of good drop. Hence, trade with extreme caution. Do not trade between 1645 and 50. And rather, I will say, those who want to take a safe entry, do not trade between 1645-55 zone. And above that also 1660, 1665 and 1668 are the next targets, and 1671. So beyond 1671, more bullishness is seen. And also on the downside, sell at 1645. Right now, a probability exists that it can reverse, and hence you have to be cautious. Today it can drop below 1645. You have to take a sell entry there. Expect 1640 to provide a support, and below that it may crash strongly on the downside. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. 90 minutes daily live webinar sessions, and a lifetime support is what you get. Definitely the strategies taught will be applicable across Forex commodities markets, and then you can reap the profit throughout your life. Do not miss this opportunity. Do reach out to me for more details. Also join my signals group. For both, reach out to me via email or Telegram. My email and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Patreon page, where you can just support by your contribution or do super thanks here on YouTube. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts on silver, and you'll find again, see, this was the breakout. Highs have been seen. 1890 provided it a resistance, as I told you. 1880, 1890, 1900, very strong resistance there. Now it is again trading below this zone at 1870-75. So yes, if you see silver trading below 1860 again, you can sell there, but then expect 1850 levels as the first support, and then 1840 as the major support. See, I have told you yesterday also, this zone is pretty important for silver, that is between 1840 and 1860. If you see it trading below 1860, certainly 1840, certainly more bearishness will be seen. The directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, it is taking a U-turn from here. And probably once it trades below 1860, certainly you can sell there and expect it to resume the downtrend. One can expect 1840 as the major support there. So below 1860, you can sell. 1850 first target, 1840 next target. And below that, we may see a good break on the downside. Directional movement. Bullish here, it is still in green. RSI is at bottom and trading comfortable there. The MACD is in green and RSI is looking downwards. So probably, and yes, if you see it trading above 1875, you can buy there, and rather I will say 1880. So in between 1880 and 1860, do not trade. Do not trade for these 20 cents. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green. Divergent bullish. RSI trading flat. Likewise on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. Lower highs, lower lows, and this is the breakout here. I will wait for it to break past 1880 and then it will try to reach 1890, 1900 and beyond level. See, it is again giving you lower highs and hence 1890 is the stronger resistance for the day. Be careful, only if it breaks past 1890, 95 zone you can expect more bullishness, then 1910, 1920 levels will be seen. Directional movement moderately bearish here. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD divergent and bullish. The RSI is also indicating little bullishness there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen. It is trying to consolidate. Be careful of 1890 and then 1895, 1900 will come into picture. Once it trades past 1900, certainly more bullishness. We might take it till towards 1910, 1920. Beyond 1920, it will fly for 1940, 50 zone. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to bounce back up. The MACD is bearish still and RSI trading flat. Considering this, buy at 1875. Expect 1880 as the first target, 1890 as the next target, 95 and 1900. These are the next targets. Beyond 1900, you can expect 1910 and 1920. 1920 is going to be the next major milestone. Below 1860, yes, you can sell there. Below 1860, you can expect 1850 and 1840. Below 1840, it is going to give you a very sharp drop. If it trades below 1840 and 1830 zone, you can remain short on silver and then it is going to drop below 1800 also or $18 also. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 1860 and 75 for this 15 cents. Be cautious, be alert. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, join my pattern page. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training query. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.